How to download video to device in WhatsApp web. So if you want to download the videos on your WhatsApp web, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you can simply go for the WhatsApp web, or you need to go for the WhatsApp. And here you need to go for the first option, which is web.whatsapp.com, and make sure to log into your account. So for example, if I simply open up any chat, here you will have your video, right? So if you want to download any video to the device, then what you need to do is simply click on that video, and here you will have the download option. So click on the download and it will start the download process. So you can simply open up the video, and then here on the upper right you will have the download option. You can click on the download and your video has been downloaded. So you can go for the downloads, which is on the upper right, which has that arrow icon. Click on the downloads, go for the full download history, and here you will have your WhatsApp video. You can simply open up the video, and that's it. Here you have your video. So that's how you can download your WhatsApp web video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.